After 40, your body begins to change in subtle but powerful ways. You might not notice it at first. A little less energy, a bit of dryness in the skin, more fatigue after a long day. But behind many of these signs lies a simple problem: dehydration. You see, as we age, our bodies lose their ability to conserve water efficiently. The feeling of thirst becomes less noticeable, even when the body desperately needs hydration. And when that happens, everything, from your heart to your joints, from your skin to your brain, starts to work harder than it should. But here's the good news. Nature offers an easy, delicious solution. A bright, refreshing food that doesn't just quench your thirst, but actively helps your body hold on to the water it needs to function at its best. This fruit is made up of more than 90% water, yet it's not just about hydration. It contains powerful antioxidants, essential vitamins, and amino acids that work together to keep your cells strong and youthful. According to a 2022 study by the National Institutes of Health, diets rich in hydrating, antioxidant-packed fruits can reduce oxidative stress, support kidney function, and improve energy levels, all of which are critical after 40. And the best part? This isn't some exotic or hard-to-find food. It's something simple, refreshing, and widely available. But most people don't realize how powerful it truly is. So stay with me, because in a moment we'll look at how this same fruit quietly protects your heart and reduces inflammation from the inside out. One of the biggest health challenges after 40 is inflammation. It's not always visible, but it quietly affects your body, slowing recovery, causing stiffness, and putting extra strain on your heart. Over time, chronic inflammation becomes the foundation for many age-related diseases, including arthritis, high blood pressure, and even heart disease. But nature, in its quiet brilliance, has provided an answer: a refreshing food that acts like a cooling shield inside your body. It's rich in compounds known to relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce oxidative stress. According to a 2020 report by the American Heart Association, certain plant-based amino acids and antioxidants can significantly improve blood flow and lower blood pressure naturally. This fruit happens to be one of the best natural sources of those exact compounds. It works in two ways. First, it relaxes the blood vessels, helping your heart pump more efficiently with less effort. Second, it neutralizes free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. This 1-2 punch helps protect your cardiovascular system and gives your body the foundation for long-term strength. And here's the beautiful part. It does all of this without caffeine, sugar-laden drinks, or supplements. Just something grown from the earth, bursting with nutrients, and perfectly designed to keep your system balanced. If you've ever felt sluggish, tight in your chest, or simply more tired than usual, this fruit might be exactly what your heart has been waiting for. Stay with me, because next, we'll uncover how this same natural miracle can restore your skin's glow, repair muscles, and bring back the energy you thought you'd lost. As we move beyond 40, one thing becomes clear. The body doesn't recover as fast as it used to. Workouts leave you sore for days, your skin feels less firm, and fatigue seems to arrive earlier than it should. It's not your imagination, it's biology. But here's where this secret fruit becomes truly fascinating. Inside its bright, juicy flesh lies a mix of nutrients designed to fight exactly those signs of aging. It contains amino acids that help repair muscle tissue, antioxidants that protect your skin from damage, and vitamins that boost energy at the cellular level. According to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition, consuming antioxidant-rich fruits with high water content can improve muscle recovery and enhance skin elasticity in adults over 40. These natural compounds help your body repair tiny muscle tears faster, leaving you feeling more active and less sore after physical activity. And your skin? It benefits too. The antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that break down collagen and cause wrinkles. With consistent intake, your skin stays hydrated, firmer, and noticeably brighter. This fruit also provides natural hydration, paired with gentle sugars that keep your energy levels steady without the crashes caused by processed snacks. It's like a slow, steady wave of energy, refreshing, natural, and perfectly balanced. So, If you've been searching for a way to feel stronger, look healthier, and regain that youthful energy, this fruit might be your best kept secret. And you'll want to stay till the end, because next I'll reveal what this fruit actually is and why it deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen. Now that you know how this secret fruit supports your heart, muscles, and energy, it's time to reveal the name behind all these benefits. It's sweet, refreshing, vibrant, and yes, it's watermelon. Most people see it as just a summer treat, but science tells a different story. Watermelon is one of nature's most powerful sources of lycopene, an antioxidant that protects your heart, skin, and cells from aging. It's also rich in citrulline, an amino acid proven to improve blood flow and muscle recovery. Together, they form a natural powerhouse that keeps your body young and resilient. According to a 2022 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, regular consumption of lycopene-rich foods like watermelon is linked to improved heart health, lower inflammation, and stronger immune function, especially for adults over 40. Watermelon isn't just about sweetness, it's hydration, healing, and rejuvenation in one delicious package. It supports kidney function, aids digestion, and gives your skin that healthy glow from within. And because it's over 90% water, it helps your body flush out toxins and stay balanced naturally. So here's your action step. Make watermelon a regular part of your diet. Enjoy it fresh, blend it into smoothies, or even freeze it for a healthy snack. It's one of the easiest, most enjoyable ways to invest in your health. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to RU40 Plus for more science-backed ways to stay strong, youthful, and full of energy, one fruit at a time.